Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double warp, 240 jacquard weaving, a new launch, a very beautiful exclusive collection, an excellent combination colors. We have an excellent yellow and red mixed color, almost dark orange and rust color saree here. Very beautiful design buttas, a new design launched here. Very beautiful Aravatam design, 240 jacquard weaving buttas, and it is done using original copper and silver mixed zari. You can see the beautiful work. Very elegantly it's been done. Mangoes, it's been done in a rangoli pattern, very beautifully. Completely a borderless concept. The color of the saree is very beautiful, very rare, with a combination that is also very rare here, the choco brown. And the same jari work is given, the copper and silver mixed jari work, horizontal weaving design in the pallu, and the same pallu color. The combination is very different and beautiful. A rare combo, new design with authentic silk. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double warp, borderless collection, 240 jacquard weaving, Aravatam design buttas, a very elegant color. Here we have a dark brown color, a coffee brown base, beautiful one. You can see the buttas are of mangoes, done in a circular way, very elegant 3D type buttas, very big size, it is very apt for the saree, finely handcrafted with copper jari work. Copper and silver jari is mixed and you get a beautiful tone for the saree too. Borderless concept. It's a hand weave saree. You can see the finish, and we have a mango yellow color. Beautiful color. Also have horizontal weaving design, which is very pretty. Done again using copper and silver mixture. The pallu color blouse piece, plain one. The pallu tassels are already made. It's a perfectly handcrafted saree with beautiful color combo, and it comes with authentic silk. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double warp, borderless collection with beautiful copper jari buttas, very elegant combo, beautiful red saree, darker shade red, beautiful color, hot, sweet color with copper jari finish buttas, original copper and silpas jari is used to get a beautiful light copper color, and it is a excellent Aravatam design buttas, 240 jacquard weaving, big size buttas, beautifully done with a borderless concept, a perfectly handmade saree with a very different light orange color. Pallu also have beautiful work, copper used in the pallu designing as well with plain blouse piece. Combination is very different with authentic silk. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double warp. A very beautiful borderless collection, a 3D type concept. Copper jari work here, copper and silver mixed here, and we use dull copper. Beautiful collection, you can see the original copper version. 3D type buttas, and the saree color is a pastel green color. The pista green is mixed with mild yellow color, which gives a beautiful glaze, a glowy saree, beautiful pastel shade with a pastel color pallu, a sandy half white color. The jari work even here is same copper jari, horizontal weaving, very rich, and we have a plain blouse piece. Beautiful pastel color saree, very different color. Best one for the pastel lovers with authentic silk. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double warp. A very beautiful borderless collection, Aravatam design, 240 jacquard weaving, beautiful design buttas, 3D type. Here we have an excellent combo colors too. Dark magenta into black, dark violet color, elegant color, wine color almost. People call this as wine. And we have a beautiful butta design, very big design, 240 jacquard weaving. You can see the beautiful buttas, mangoes done in a circular pattern, looking like a 3D image. And we have done this using silver and copper jari. Copper original is mixed with silver silver, and the different tone zari is used here. Beautifully, it's a borderless concept, and we have a very bright and beautiful contrast pallu, mango yellow with gold tinge, and we have beautiful design in the pallu also, a grand pallu with horizontal weaving design, and we have plain blouse piece. The combination is very pretty with pallu tassels already made. Elegant one with authentic silk. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double warp, a very beautiful 3D design butta collection in silver jari with a vibrant, alluring combination. A radiant green color pallu, light green, with beautiful butta design work, completely Aravatam used here for the pallu also. Beautiful work. Same color blouse piece, plain one. Contrast one for the body. The body is in borderless concept, a very beautiful navy blue color, a black mixed blue, excellent color, and the buttas are very visible on this dark base. 3D type, 240 jacquard, Aravatam design buttas. You can see the butta clarity, very beautiful one. Silver jari used, and the saree is completely handcrafted, very finely crafted, premium soft silk saree with authentic silk mark. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double R. A very beautiful 3D type butta design. Excellent big butta sarees in a beautiful combination colors. An alluring combo here. Pastel shade saree. Light green tinge half white color. Beautiful pastel shade with silver jari work. Aravatam design 240 jacquard weaving buttas. Silver silk plus silver jari is used here. The completely handcrafted version saree. Borderless concept. And we have a red maroon pallu. Reddish maroon color. Beautiful dark shade with silver jari. Excellent design. Pallu is very rich here with plain blouse piece. Combination is very different. Beautiful dark versus pastel shade combo with authentic silk. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double warp, a borderless collection. Beautiful silver jari work, 3D type butta design sarees, an excellent color combination. A pinkish red color pallu with silver jari work. The butta design is given in the pallu also, 3D work. And we have same blouse piece, pallu color. Contrast one for the body. And body is a very vibrant, radiant green color. Almost fluorescent green. Excellent combo. And you can see the buttas. Buttas are 240 jacquard. Aravatam is weaving buttas. Very big and beautiful. 3D work. You can see the closer view. It looks very beautiful. And it is a completely handloom weaving with authentic silk mark. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double warp, borderless collection. Very beautiful combination here. Excellent pink shade, onion peel pink shade color. Very elegant one with 3D type buttas, big size, 240 jacquard weaving, Aravatam design buttas. And it is done using copper and silver mixed jari work. Original copper used here. Finely hand weaved saree. Elegant one, completely a borderless concept with a dark navy blue color pallu. Pallu also have a beautiful horizontal weaving, rich design, completely done using copper and silver mixed jari. And we have a plain blouse piece in same pallu color. Excellent combo with authentic silk. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double warp. A borderless collection with a very beautiful 3D type buttas. Very elegantly done using copper and silver mixed jari work. And we have a dark shade combination here. Very beautiful magenta pink and black mixed color. Almost a jamun fruit color with very elegant buttas. 3D type buttas, 240 jacquard weaving, Aravatam design buttas in copper and silver jari mixed work. Original copper used here. A perfect handmade saree with a dark navy blue color. Pallu also have a horizontal weaving design, a rich design. Used copper again with plain blouse piece. Excellent dark shade combo saree with authentic silk. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double warp. Borderless collection with very beautiful buttas, trendy design, 3D type buttas. Weaved using copper and silver mixed jari work. Aravatam design, 120 or 240 jacquard weaving. And copper jari is used here. Original copper and silver is mixed to use, which gives a beautiful color to the buttas. Here we have an excellent goldish mustard yellow color saree. Beautiful color, completely handcrafted with a excellent dark navy blue color pallu. Pallu is also a elegant design here, horizontal weaving. We have plain blouse piece in same color. Beautiful combination with authentic silk. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double warp. A very beautiful Aravatam design butta weaving, trendy design buttas in a beautiful pastel color combo. Here we have a very different color, dark green and grey mixed color. Beautiful pastel shade with copper and silver mixed jari work. 3D concept buttas, Aravatam 240 jacquard weaving. Original copper is also used here. Very pretty design. Handloom, completely hand weaving. And we have a contrast blouse piece and pallu. Pallu is a light orange color, rustic orange color with beautiful horizontal weaving design in the pallu. And we have plain blouse piece. The combination is a rare one with authentic silk. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double arc, borderless collection, very beautiful big size buttas, an excellent color combo. Saree is in mango yellow mixed with a mild red shade to get a beautiful honey tone, very elegant color, goldish yellow we can call, with a copper zari work buttas. You can see the butta, a 3D type, very beautiful butta, mangoes. It is done in a circular way. Very elegantly, the buttas are weaved, completely handcrafted work. And we have a very contrast, dark chocolate brown color, pallu, deep brown. You can see the pallu design is also done in copper zari with plain blouse piece. The pallu tassels are already made, an exclusive collection with authentic silk. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double arc, borderless collection, very beautiful combo, the pastel shade color combo. Here we have a peach mixed with beige color, a goldish color, pastel shade saree here. Very beautiful 240 jacquard, Aravatam weaving buttas. Buttas are on 3D concept and buttas done using copper and silver mixed zari. Very beautiful, elegant pastel shade color. And we have a contrast dark blue color. The ballu is almost Ananda blue with horizontal weaving design, the same zari work, copper and silver mixed work, and we have a plain blouse piece in the same color. Combination is beautiful with authentic silk. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double arc, a borderless collection, a 240 jacquard weaving, Aravatam design buttas, 3D type, very excellent design, dark base color, navy blue and purple is mixed to get a beautiful dark purple color, very elegant one, with copper and silver mixed zari work. Original copper is mixed with normal silver zari to get a beautiful color tone for the zari, and 3D type circle pattern is weaved, very elegant one, completely handcrafted with a very contrast dark Ananda blue color pallu. Pallu also have the same zari tone, beautiful weaving in the pallu, grand one with same color, plain blouse piece. Excellent combination, dark combo with authentic silk. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double arc, borderless collection, beautiful color combination, excellent red pallu here, bright chilli red color with silver zari work, and it is dazzling on the pallu color. Aravatam design, very clear with plain blouse piece in pallu color, and we have a very different blue, a mild color blue color, that is the peacock neck blue without green mix, an elegant combination for the red. You can see the 240 jacquard weaving thick designing buttas, very elegantly weaved, excellent 3D type work, and the saree is premium handcrafted saree with authentic silk. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double arc, borderless collection, very beautiful trendy design buttas, Aravatam design, 240 jacquard weaving buttas, very excellently done using copper and silver mixed zari work. The color of the saree is also a very beautiful color, magenta pink and black mixed color, real tone. Here we have the copper zari and silver zari mixed work. You can see pure copper and silk silver is used here. Elegant color. You can see the magenta pink glow on the saree. Very beautiful one, dark shade with a very contrast orange color. Pallu also have beautiful work. Copper is used for the pallu weaving as well. Horizontal weaving design, and we have a plain blouse piece in the same color. Excellent combo with authentic silk. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double arc, borderless collection, very beautiful Aravatam design, 240 jacquard weaving, beautiful design buttas, excellent pastel shade saree here, light peach and gold mixed color, fine and light pastel color, beautiful design 3D type buttas. Buttas are done using copper and silver mixed zari here. Original copper is used. A fine and beautiful handloom saree, pastel shade with a pastel color pallu itself, orange in a pastel shade, and we have a horizontal weaving design in the same copper and silver zari work, and we have a plain blouse piece. So an excellent combination with authentic silk. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double arc, borderless collection, silver zari work, beautiful combination color here, a black beautiful saree, in jet black color. Complete saree is in black, and you can see the buttas, silver zari buttas are dazzling on black, very beautifully done. 3D type buttas, Aravatam design, borderless concept, and you can see a very contrast, a dark red a maroonish red color pallu with horizontal weaving design. Silver jari used for the weaving with a plain blouse piece. The pallu tassels are already beautifully made here. The combination is very beautiful for the black lovers with authentic silk. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double warp. The borderless collection, 240 jacquard weaving, Aravatam design, beautiful buttas, big size, 3D type buttas here on a borderless saree. Almost a mango yellow color. It's very elegant. Copper and silver mixed jari work. Original copper and silver jari is mixed to get a beautiful tone for the jari, and it is a 3D type butta, circle design. Very elegantly it's been weaved in a borderless concept. And we have a very contrast dark brown color, choco brown in a darker shade with same zari, dual tone color zari work. And we have the pallu tassels already made with plain blouse piece. An excellent combo with authentic silk. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double warp. Borderless collection, 240 jacquard weaving, big size buttas, Naravatam design, 3D concept buttas. Here we have a very beautiful dual tone color. Rama green is mixed with copper sulphate blue to get a beautiful tone. It is elegant dual tone color. And we have the copper jari mixed with silver to get a light and beautiful copper tone buttas. In 3D type it is. You can see the closer view. Very elegantly it's done, completely handcrafted, a borderless concept. And we have a dark Ananda blue color. Pallu also have the same zari tone. And we have plain blouse piece. The pallu tassels are already made. An excellent and different exclusive collection saree with authentic silk. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double warp. A very beautiful collection here, borderless collection. Big buttas, 240 jacquard weaving, Aravatam design buttas, 3D type. Mangoes in a circular pattern, very elegantly weaved. You can see the size of the buttas, big one. And we have the zari, the copper and silver mixed jari work, original copper mixed with silver, and we get a beautiful tone to the buttas. The saree color is a dark blue, indigo blue in a darker shade. Very elegant and very rare combination with yellow color, mango yellow, mild yellow mixed with dark mango yellow to get a very different shade of yellow with horizontal weaving design using the same copper and silver mixed jari tone. And we have plain blouse piece. The pallu tassels are already made. The combination is beautiful with authentic silk. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double warp. A very beautiful borderless collection with excellent color combos. Here we have a 3D type 240 jacquard weaving buttas. Buttas are 3D and big size ones. Copper and silver jari mixed and used, original copper. You can see the tone of the buttas, very beautifully it's been done. Completely handcrafted work. And the saree is in a pinkish red color. Very beautiful, mild pink tinge red it is. Very different and beautiful color with a very beautiful combination here. Mango yellow with gold tinge, very elegant pallu. Pallu also have the same zari tone, the copper and silver mixed zari tone, and the design is also very rich here, horizontal, beautiful weaving design with plain blouse piece. The pallu tassels are already made. Combination is beautiful, completely handcrafted with authentic silk. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double warp. A very beautiful copper jari work sarees in 240 jacquard weaving, big butta design, borderless concept. The green saree, leaf green color, beautiful combo. And you can see the copper jari, original copper is mixed with gold to get a beautiful shade. Buttas, elegantly weaved with 3D type buttas in 240 jacquard weaving. And we have a contrast pallu. Pallu is a cream color, half white cream with horizontal weaving, gold and copper mixed jari work. And we have plain blouse piece. Elegant combo with authentic silk. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double warp. A very elegant, vibrant combination colors, sarees with copper jari work. A very beautiful grey and brown mixed color pallu, copper and silver jari mixed work in the jari, and we have same color blouse piece. 3D type concept weaving, 240 jacquard, elegant Aravatam design buttas in copper. Copper is trending now and it's being used in these buttas. And we have a very beautiful sea green and blue mixed color saree Saree color is also very rare and beautiful color with authentic silk work.